Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can edit shapes for your presentations on Google Slides. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, I added a rectangle, a shape like that here. So you can do that too, guys, by simply clicking on that button here at the top, shape, and by selecting your shape type from the list below. Like for example, you can go with shapes such as rectangles, circles, triangles, and so on and so forth. So let me add another rectangle just for demonstration purposes. So let me just place that rectangle somewhere else and make some space here. So let me add that rectangle here. Now you can position it by left clicking and holding your left mouse. You can move that rectangle around. You can also adjust your shape's size by holding its corners and edges, just like that. You can rotate it by left clicking and holding that handle here and by moving your mouse around. So that's one option. Another option would be, guys, to apply a custom color to your shape. You can do that by clicking on that button here at the top, fill color, choose one of the suggested colors below, or simply apply a custom color by clicking on that button here. You can use some of these colors here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is go a bit more in depth by right clicking on your shape and selecting format options. Here to the right, you will see that menu format options. You may, for example, adjust your shape size and rotation manually here, or the position. You can also apply a drop shadow effect and customize it here by selecting that box here to the right and by making some adjustments below. You can do the same for reflection. As you can see, the rectangle has been given a reflection or a duplicate like that below. Last but not least, guys, you can apply animations or animate effects to your shapes too. Simply right click on your shape, select animate from the drop down menu, and here to the right where it says object animations, by clicking on that arrow down icon here, and next select your preferred animation like a zoom in, zoom out effect, fade in, appear, disappear, fly in from the left, from the right, from the top, from the bottom, and so on and so forth. Click on play here below to watch your animation in the preview mode. Or if you don't fancy that animation, simply click on that trash icon here to the right to delete it. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, you can do a lot of customization with your shapes. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.